best free alternatives for HeyGen AI Avatar. Hello everyone and welcome back. Are you someone that is looking to build their own avatar or to use some AI generated avatars for their own content? Whether it's lifestyle content, UGC content, or any type of content where you want to create your own avatar, you can easily do that with the help of HeyGen. HeyGen is an amazing platform. However, HeyGen can be expensive, especially if you are someone that is looking to build videos in bulk. Then you do have to upgrade to either a creator or to a team plan. Now, if you do not want to upgrade to a team plan and you just want to proceed with free plans on other platforms, I have a few different alternatives today. So starting off our list is Synthesia. Synthesia again is a paid platform. However, Synthesia allows you to get started for only $18 a month, which is cheaper than HeyGen's basic plan, which starts at $24. And if you go into Synthesia over here, you can get started with one free video. You can click on create free AI video over here. Then you can choose your avatar and then enter your script. Once you enter your script, you can click on create free AI video. You're going to enter your first name, last name, your work email, and that is it. Once you do that, your video will be created for you and it will be mailed to you. And just like that, you can create a free video with Synthesia. However, this is not my top pick when it comes to alternatives, because if you are looking to create videos in the long run, then this is not just going to be something you can do, because again, this is a paid platform and they don't offer a free plan. However, moving on into our next alternative, we have Jog AI. Now, Jog AI is pretty amazing. Jog AI does have their own free plan, which allows you to create 3 free videos with one custom video avatar, video translation, and you can create videos up to 30 seconds. So simply head on over to Jog AI and then click on sign up. Once you click on sign up, you can get started for free. All you need is an email address. So I'm just going to be continuing on with Google to create my free account. And once my account has been created, I can proceed. Now over here, you're going to answer a couple of basic questions. So starting off, we're going to describe our role as well as the size of our team, how we would be using this platform, and then just click on start creating. Once you click on start creating over here, you can now proceed. Now, once you proceed on over here, you can click on got it, and then you can proceed with avatars on the left. Now you can see there are several different avatars that you can try out. However, if you want to create your own avatar, simply click on custom avatar. Click on create custom avatar. Once you do that, you have the option to upload your own footage or record it with a webcam. I'm just going to go on ahead, click on got it, and we're just going to upload some footage over here. And I do think this footage is going to suffice. Now it needs to be between 30 seconds to 5 minutes long. So we're just going to go into our downloads over here and upload our video. Once you do that, you can proceed with removing background noise and then click on next. Once you do that, you're going to proceed, and you do need to record a video consent with your webcam. Now this is really important. The reason for this is because if you do not provide video consent, then it is not going to be able to actually create your video and to, properly be able to generate an avatar. They do need the person who is in the video to provide consent. So once you do that, you can proceed with creating your custom avatar. Now, if you don't want to use your own custom avatar, you can directly go into photo avatars. You even have product avatars over here. So you can upload one product image and then the avatars can be holding and displaying that product. Now, there are so many different types of, AI avatars that you can pick out from. Let's say we want to use this one. I'm going to go ahead and proceed. And now just like so, I'm just going to pause this and I'm going to proceed with writing my script. So whatever script I have, hey, welcome to the Pretty Mean Girls podcast. Today, I'm gonna be talking about how bad parking is. Whatever you want. Now from here, you can even choose the voices. You have a few different voices available. So you have all of these public voices and you can choose the gender, the language, accent, age, and the use case. And there is going to be a default voice that is associated with the particular avatar that you have chosen. You can proceed with that. And then you can further add your script. So you can click on AI Writer and ask it to write about anything. I'm going to copy this and I'm just going to click on paste. And then I'm going to ask it to expand this script and then click on generate. And now it's just going to expand my script. Now, once I do that, I'm just going to let it be created and then click on apply. Once we've done that, we're going to click on generate. Now we have the option that we want aspect ratio, so whether we want horizontal or vertical videos. I want a vertical video and the MP4 format, and then just click on render. Now keep in mind, on the free version you are only going to be supported with 500 characters, so for that obviously your script needs to be shorter, but when you are on premium plans you can create upwards of 5,000 word scripts, so you are able to create longer videos. And you guys can see it is showing me the estimated time that it is going to take to create my video, and once this time has gone through, then I would be able to access my video and view my video. So I'm just going to wait a couple of seconds for our video to be completed, and then I can show you guys my video. Now with Jog AI, the starter plan starts at $24 on yearly billing. However, it's $29 on monthly billing. Now if anyone is going to be using Jog AI, I do not recommend the starter plan because their starter plan is more limiting than the starter plan on HeyGen, which is the primary tool that we are discussing today. So if you are going to be using Jog AI, then the creator plan is good. It's $69, whereas HeyGen's creator plan or team plan is going to be $39. Now within both of these platforms you do have this price difference, but Jog AI has some other features that they are promoting, including their brain kits, faster video times, as well as batch processing. However, when it comes to just their paid plans, I do think that HeyGen does a better job. So if you are going to be using free plans, then opt for Jog AI, but for paid plans, do upgrade to HeyGen. Now let's go into our final alternative. We have Humva. Humva is a great platform. Again, they have a free plan which allows us to create 3-minute videos, and we have 2 custom counts with 1 minute max per video length. And then we can just proceed with start free trial to get started with our free trial on Humva. Once you do that, you can proceed on to the next step, and we're just going to be signing up with Google for a quick and easy sign up. And once we proceed on over here, we're just going to wait. And once this has signed on, we're just going to complete our sign up. We can click on over here and proceed with generating. So we're just going to go into our Humba dashboard right now. And then we're just going to click on AI thumbnails. We have a bunch of different avatars available. Now from here, you can see they even have some cartoon avatars. They have realistic ones. I want to go with this one over here. This looks pretty nice. So I'm just going to click on one. Once you do that, you can enter your script on the right, and you guys can see within this avatar they have 2 different looks. So we have this one and this one as well. I'm gonna go with the first one and then enter my script. So again, hi, I'm Donna, your bestie in podcast Pretty Girls. Now you can choose to record audios as well, but I'm just going to be writing some text, and then on the bottom you can again choose different voices and you can listen to what it's going to sound like. You guys can see a general preview, and then you can enter a script and then click on export. Now let's take a look at what Jog AI has created. Now this is what our Jog AI video looks like. Now it looks pretty nice. It looks very nice. I do think that the lower body, it looks a bit animated, but the face part looks pretty nice. So I can, further customize this with a zoomed in angle or different looks. And these are all the amazing alternatives you can use instead of using HeyGen. I hope you guys found this video helpful. If you did, make sure to leave a like and subscribe.